and ears. Okay, you need to sit crisscross, your hands in your lap, ready to read.
Turn the light.
You don't need to be facing your partner yet, you know that. What is one way that we could read our book, Christian?
Find our popcorn.
Find our popcorn words, very good. Mason, what's another way?
We can read the book.
Read the book, very good. Luke, what's another way? Make up your own story by looking at the pictures. And Olivia?
Look at the pixels.
Look at the pictures, very good, very good. Okay, I am starting your timer. You have 6 minutes to read silently. Ready, go. Guys, you're doing great. You're about halfway done. Keep up the good work.
And then my bear. My bear can sleep. My bear can. My bear can. My bear can write. My bear can read. My bear can speak. My bear can swim. My bear can.
Now, if you could add on a sentence to that book, what would you add on?
My bear can do everything.
My bear can do everything. Very good. And what would the pictures be on that page?
About my bear does everything.
Okay. Cool. Very good, Haley. Good job. Noah, what are you reading?
Come on.